Penalty kick awarded to the Dandenong Tigers. Let's see if this is going to be an equalizer. Dandenong Tigers have just been awarded.
Boys, defenders. You got this, bro. Let's go. You got this, bro. Step back, please. Step back. Well done. Keeper on the line. Keeper, come on, behind the line or on the line. That's the one.
This game is going to be tit for tat as soon as Oromo Youth score. Dandenong Tigers score back in 11 games. The scores are 2-all at the moment, ladies and gentlemen.
And a big shout out again to our platinum sponsor, Golden Age Home Cares.
Platinum sponsor of Oscar 20. Golden Age Home Care, platinum sponsor 2023. Thank you very much.
이번엔 단어가 렌토 왔을 때 내리
Keeper plays the ball to the center.
orang galgal agak tuh
The Oromo Youth plays on the right-hand side of the pitch. The Dandenong Tigers regain the ball. Dandenong Tigers are attacking again on the right side of the pitch. That's it. And the ref says, play on the field. Then Oromo Youth on the left-hand side, flanking again. Going forward, attacking in front of the goal.
Oromo Youth
plays the ball across the field, still in possession of the Dandenong Tigers. The ball is kicked out of bounds. And a throw-in has been awarded to Dandenong Tigers. Throw-in, ball, Dandenong Tigers.
Ubus tayo na ulit apa na
Ref says play on. The Dandenong Tigers ball always has been to the Oromo Youth. A little bit confusion there. Just a little bit confusion. Players jostling for position. Dandenong Oromo Youth on the left-hand side. Oromo Youth break through, but Dandenong Tigers play the ball. 3 Oromo Youth defenders, 2 attackers on the left-hand side of the field. And it seems like Dandenong Tigers player has fallen and he's clutching his right arm. Referee calls a stop to play. Oromo Youth take the ball and pass it through the ball. Defended well by Dandenong Tigers. Still Dandenong Tigers going to the left hand side of the field. Dandenong Tigers attacking again along the left. Oromo Youth doing a great job of defending the field with the ball. Ball still to play. Dandenong Tigers running on the left hand side of the field there. 2 Oromo Youth defenders against 1 player. Dandenong Tigers doing great steal. Ball still on the left-hand side of the pitch.
Hey, step back first. Go, go, back first. And don't push. One with the wall, yeah? One with the wall. Hey, come back here! Huh? Hey! Hey, line with the wall. Hey! Offside, offside. Oromo Youth on the attack. The ball is going, and it belongs to the players making forward, breaks off on the left-hand side through the center, and the keeper takes the ball for Dandenong Tigers. Keeper kicks it right through the center of the field. Ball is in possession of the Oromo Youth
jostling for position at the front. Oromo Youth heat the ball up in the sky and the keeper grabs it off straight up through the air. And it seems like the keeper is facing a small injury to his